Lab equipment and functions in the chemistry lab at the Nanotechnology Research Centre, NTRC, at the British University in Egypt, BUE. The objective of the chemistry lab in the NTRC is to design and synthesize a wide range of nanomaterials with well-controlled shape and size, such as carbon-based nanomaterials, metallic nanomaterials, metal oxide nanomaterials, natural and biological nanoformulation, semiconductor quantum dots. Synthesis lab facilities. The chemistry lab in the NTRC contains a variety of equipment and instrumentation for preparing nanomaterials and nanocomposites in the optimum formula and compatible with the intended application. The lab is equipped with facilities such as heat drying and annealing equipment, freeze dryer, lyophilizer, high-intensity ultrasonic probe, cooling centrifuge, ultrasonic cleaner, and multi-channel pH meter. The common equipment for synthesis of nanomaterials are analytical balance 4 digits, ultrasonic cleaner, hot plate stirrer, and also there is a multi-channel pH meter equipped with conductivity electrode, ion-selective electrodes for ammonia, nitrate, and fluoride ions, and dew electrode. Also there is a high-intensity ultrasonic probe. This technique lab has been used for preparation of well-dispersed nanomaterials, nanoemulsions, and nanocapsulation using the sonochemical method. This device shows high intensity up to 1500 Watt with frequency of 20 kHz. It has a programmable timer reach up to 10 hours. Also it has an adjustable pulse on-off option to prevent heat buildup in temperature-sensitive samples. Another technique in our chemistry lab is freeze dryer or lyophilizer. The freeze dryer model is Christ, Alpha 24 LSC basic with condenser temperature of -85 degrees centigrade. Freeze drying is a method of removing water by sublimation of ice crystals from frozen material. In the pharmaceutical field, lyophilization is an important method used in many fields such as microbiology, food science, biological products, and pharmaceutical products. As well as, the heat drying and annealing equipment in our chemistry lab are drying oven of temperature up to 330 degrees centigrade for drying the as prepared nanomaterials, single-step muffle furnace of temperature up to 330 degrees centigrade for calcination of some types of nanomaterials, and finally a vacuum oven of temperature up to 330 degrees centigrade and vacuum pressure reach to 1 millibar to do heat treatment for the sensitive materials for oxidation. The chemistry lab also includes high-speed refrigerated centrifuge with model, Hermel Z36HK. This device is used for separation of our as-prepared nanomaterials. The device has temperature from -20 degrees centigrade to 40 degrees centigrade with 1 degree centigrade increments, speed range of 200 to 30,000 RPM. The centrifuge equipped with 3 rotors. The first rotor has speed reaches up to 10,000 RPM with tube volume of 250 ml. The second rotor has speed reaches up to 21,000 RPM with tube volume of 50 ml and the third rotor has speed reaches up to 30,000 RPM with Eppendorf. Also we have MilliQ water treatment unit to produce high quality pure water. The water has conductivity of 0.05 to 0.08 microsiemens per centimeter and total oxidizable carbon, TOC, of 3 part per billion. Also, we have a vacuum spin coator of model, VTC 100. It used for preparing thin films of the nanomaterials with controlling their thickness. The rotation speed of the spin coator reaches up to 8,000 RPM.